Do you wish you didn't have eardrums anymore? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make videos that are so loud that you can't hear after watching them. So, I'm going to show you two different ways of doing it. I'm going to show you the easy way, then I'm going to show you the more advanced way, which is way better for making people mad. So to start off, the first and easy way is to go to the first link in the description, click Browse, then add your video, then scroll down, increase the volume, and increase it by about 30 decibels. If you go higher, you'll have a lot of chirping, and it won't work exactly how you want it. Click Upload File. Then after you are done, I'm going to make sure to turn down my audio very quiet, then click Download File. And now when you open up the file after it downloads, it's very loud. Even though I have it as 3, if I increase it to my normal listening volume, my ears are about to get exploded. Wow. A massive, amazing, very quick and dirty. Very dirty, to be honest. It's actually pretty bad. So now for the advanced part. All you need to do is go to the second link in the description. We are going to download Davinci Resolve. Now, Davinci Resolve is a fantastic free video editor. I used it for a long time, and it's great for color correcting and a whole bunch of other stuff. But all you need to do is click the Download Now button, and when you do that, you need to click on Davinci Resolve 17 or 16, anything on the left. Anything on the right is going to be paid, but anything on the left is free. So click on whatever platform you have. I have Windows, and when you do that, you need to fill out details here. You can put bogus information in, by the way. And once you do that, click Register and Download, and it'll instantly download. Now, going through the installer is very straightforward. Just press Next a whole bunch of times, and it will install. Once you have it installed, though, press on your Start menu and type in Davinci Resolve and press Enter, and it'll open up Davinci Resolve for you. Once Davinci Resolve pops up, you will have this window here. Just click on Untitled Project and click New Project, then click Create, and when you do that, it'll open up Davinci Resolve. You can download the new version if you have it. Doesn't really matter, you can skip it. But now all you need to do is drag this to the left, then open your File Explorer on the right. So in this case, boom, File Explorer on the right, just going to my downloads and hiding it. And now you can just drag in the video onto the timeline, and once you do that, click Change, so it changes your whole entire video to this specific frame rate. Minimize this, then maximize Davinci Resolve, and now it's time to edit. So at the bottom there's a whole bunch of tabs. Just click on the third one here, and you will go into a normal timeline view. Next up, all you need to do is hold Alt and scroll, and what that will do is zoom in and out, and now you can find the exact part of the video you want to make very loud. So this part here is the part that I want it to be very loud. So all I need to do is go up to this blade tool, press B, then I just need to click on the playhead, and when you do that, it'll split the clips. Now there is a shortcut for it somewhere, I forget it. Now once you split it, all you need to do is just hover over the audio section of the first part and decrease it quite a bit. You want it to be very quiet so people crank up their volume. So if I play it now, it's very quiet. Obviously I don't have the audio playing because I'd get copyright striked. But then next up, all you need to do is go to the right side, and you wouldn't believe what you got to do. Crank that bad boy volume all the way up. Now I'm going to decrease my Windows volume to 1, maybe 2. Then I'm going to play it. Wow, that is very loud, and I have it at 2 volume. Very loud. So what this will do is basically someone's going to watch the video. It's going to be very quiet. They're going to crank up their audio, and when it gets to this best part of the whole entire video, it's going to be massive. Beautiful sound. Awesome. Once you have it set up exactly how you want it for the most amount of torture, click on the little rocket ship here, and now you need to change the settings for it. So before you even do anything else, you need to go to the bottom right, and you need to click on the settings, and you need to change the timeline resolution. If your video is not 1920 by 1080, if it's a TikTok, then you need to reverse this to the aspect ratio of the TikTok. For TikTok, it is 1080 by 1920, it's just the opposite. And when you do that, all you need to do is just press save, and what it will do is crop the video correctly. Now, when you do export, if you export it as YouTube, it will automatically set the resolution to 1920 by 1080, so you need to go to Custom, leave it on Custom, and all you need to do is just change the name of it to, and then click Browse. Then all you need to do is just put it into your downloads or whatever, click Save, and it will save it as an MOV with all these random settings. They're completely fine. Just click Add to Render Queue, then click Render All, and now you're rendering the best video on planet Earth. Now once it's rendered, if you go back into your downloads and you maximize it, you will have the watermelon peanut butter challenge, and you click on it. Be very quiet. I literally can't even hear anything. Then when she gets to the point where she's about to eat the watermelon, oh, we're almost there. She eats it. Fantastic. There's a little bit of a crunch there, but now when she gets really excited, crazy, fantastic, and she says, I eat it, which is pure comedy. So that's how to do it in the advanced version, and that's probably the best way of doing it because you get introduced to Davinci Resolve, and it's also just the best because it's really quiet, and then it'll get really loud, and it'll do the most amount of damage. Pretty malicious, I know, but it's just a little fun video to kind of break away from all the serious stuff like how to make Dino, how to log into a bot. This is some fun stuff that I like. And that wraps up the installation portion of the video. If it worked, like and subscribe. And if you want to support the channel even further, just turn off your ad blocker when you watch my videos. And if for some odd reason it didn't work out for you, feel free to leave a comment in the comment section or join my Discord and put your issue in the help channel, and I will help you out as soon as I can. Now let's get on to the uninstall portion of the video. Anyways, the uninstall portion of the video is just uninstall Davinci Resolve, and it's just like normal. There's no weird settings. Just uninstall it. It's that easy. Anyways, love you. Mwah!